Introducing RenewAire SA Core Array, the retrofit application designed to alleviate deficient indoor air quality, IAQ. The RenewAire SA Core Array can be adapted via knockdown to fit in tight spaces and is easily collapsible. This allows it to fit in elevators for simple transport in any building. It's flexible, modular, and easy to install for all jobs, especially retrofits and energy wheel replacements. The RenewAire SA Core Array is available in a variety of sizes, ranging from 3 high by 3 wide to 8 high by 8 wide. Our product works in conjunction with OEM air handlers. The RenewAire SA Core Array is easily installed within a cabinet. The unit is simply mounted inside the air handler and it is flashed. Here, we show an expanded view of a RenewAire SA Core Array product. Base assembly, bottom core, middle core, core joining strap, connector bracket, top core, post, insulated plenum divider, uninsulated wall, half-core support bracket, 2-core support bracket, 2-core faceplate panel, half-core faceplate panel, roof assembly. For more information on our RenewAire SA Core Array and other products, visit renewaire.com/our-ERVs/applied.